Pawpaw, Sammy, and Alibug here. As we all know, Starkey's Farmstead, Samantha Starkey, went to Hawaii to check things out, and she got a lot of good information on her video. Well, one of the things she did, brought back this pineapple. I have never tasted a pineapple that sweet and low in acidity. Now, here's the name of that pineapple. It's a golden Maui gold. Now, if you're interested and want to help the people over in Maui, you can hit that buy thing in the center there and buy these pineapples direct. They will ship them to you. That way you're bypassing all the charities, the good ones and the bad ones, because charities have to have money to survive. Some of them take as much as 90%, some more than that. So send your money to these people. They need it directly to them. Also, you can take and send it to the churches over there. It goes direct to the church, direct to the people. Because let's face it, everything they're getting done from FEMA and the federal government, a lot of it's going to be paid back. And when you pay it back, these people don't have it. They've lost everything. Now, you take like Ukraine, they're getting billions. You're not going to pay it back. But if you're an American citizen, you have to pay it back, because they need their money to give to Ukraine. Anyway, let's get on with this pineapple. I'm going to plant it. You start off taking it off from the mother plant, twist it off, let it dry 3 or 4 days. Then start tearing these leaves off. Just tear them off. Don't try to pull them off, tear them off. Okay? And you do that up to 3 or 4 leaves up here. And I'm telling you people, I have never tasted a pineapple that delicious. I mean, it's sweet. There's absolutely no acid taste. It's really fantastic. Now they'll mail this direct to you. Now what I'm gonna do is this, and I'm gonna plant it and let it root. And then what happens then, after it roots, I'll take my old salvage pot here, old ex-garbage pit I don't use anymore, and I will plant this in there, where I can move it around inside and outside as needed. Now, the thing is this, after you plant this baby, it takes, it depends, 7, 8, 10 days, 2 weeks to start forming roots. Now, once the roots start forming, let them get to be about 2 inches long. Then you want to get them in the ground. Now, pot. You take this up, maybe 3 or 4 leaves. You want to get it up because that'll help the roots germinate. Now, anybody that's watched my videos know that I'm heavy into permaculture. Worms, worm poop. So my potting soil, which I'm not going to use right now, I'm going to put this, I'm going to root this in plain water. Plain water. You change that water every 2, I wouldn't go much further than 3 days. If you do, what's going to happen is it'll rot in front of it. So you pull just enough leaves that you can put it in there. See the water? All right. This will be set in a nice, semi-dark place where it's cool. And in about a week or 10 days, it will root. And when it does, when the roots get to be, like I said, 2, 3 inches long, you put it in your soil. Now, my potting soil is 1/3 worm poop, about 20% sand, and the rest is just regular old potting soil. Compost. And this thing will take off like a bullet. Now, like I said, you can order them direct. You plant it, it forms roots. You put it in a pot. It grows for a year. In the second year, it will bloom. Okay? And as it blooms, it'll form little pups. You take those little pups and you plant them. And in a year, they will bear. So the mama plant, usually 2 years. Your pups, usually a year, they'll bear. And you won't believe, if you've never tasted homegrown, fresh pineapple. I've grown them before, people. Not just bring it. But I have grown pineapple before. They are beautiful and gold. And believe me, it's an experience. Like and subscribe. Pawpaw, Sammy, and Alley Bug. Thank you.